and welcome to North Somerset. In particular Rowbarrow, and that's a village about 10 minutes outside Cheddar. So where are we staying? The Swan Inn. So it's part of Butcombe Breweries boutique selection. I know, it sounds very bougie and very fancy. We've literally just got here and I've got to say, it is stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I've just met the manager, Sam, as well, who's by himself in the bar. One of the nicest people we've ever met at reception. Such a warm welcome. Said hello to Toby, offered us a complimentary drink as well before he takes us up to the room. So Sam, awesome job, thank you very much. And I think they won the best Butcombe Breweries hotel in 2025, so it's already showing why. But the reason you're watching this video, what is the room like? So we're staying in a superior room and it is gorgeous. Firstly, you get your king size bed, and yes, I'm going to do a bed test. I will do that for you. You're going to see a fat man flying through the air, hopefully not breaking the bed. Beautiful, beautiful setup with the bed. What you've got also in the front of the bed, in the welcome pack, like I say, you get menus, you get the breakfast menu, and also you get a walking guide as well, which has a couple of walks around from the local area here in the Mendip Hills. So we are staying on the top floor, and we are, like I say, in a superior room. We're in Bluebell, to give you the exact room. And what's a lovely touch is Amy spotted this straight away. You get pillow spray. And what's even better, to save her snoring, earplugs. Or like she's gonna need them from me, especially after a couple of beers tonight, which we plan on having. Lovely, lovely desk, makeup area, those sorts of things. Coffee machine, even gives you instructions on how to use it. Sparkling still water, sealed, all fresh. Your kettle, your mugs, fresh milk, semi-skim milk as well, cow's milk. But it's a really, really lovely finish with glassware, and just the overall feel is so clean and really, really simple. Everything you kind of need. Now I would say one thing is there's no mini bar or anything, so a mini fridge. We're lucky we've got a cooler bag for Toby with his food because he has like meat food, so he'll be fine with that. Just bear that in mind. If you're staying and they have raw meat or those kinds of things, you may need to just plan that, or maybe just ask for a different room. I think Toby's a little bit tired. He's had a long day out, bless him. And there's no shortage of plugs or charging capabilities. You got 2 UK plugs, 2 USB plugs as well on this side, and then you have exactly the same over the other side of the bed as well. 2 plugs here with 2 USBs, and exactly the same on the right hand side of the desk too. So if you have 20 different devices, I'm sure you'll be absolutely fine. So we've got camera equipment, we need to charge them pretty much every night. It's not going to be an issue whatsoever. But the artwork, there's plenty of mirrors, so they make the room feel even bigger as well, which is really, really nice. And a nice big TV straight in front of the bed, which is going to be great. So I guess before we move into the bathroom area to show you that, bed test. I've just felt all of my flab move from my bottom up to my neck, but it is comfy. Amy's just recovered from a laughing fit from that. This is what I do for you. And if you're not subscribed, that's why you have to do it, because I'm more than happy to make an absolute wally out of myself just for you. Plus, 98.2% of our viewers aren't subscribed. So why aren't you subscribed? Thank you very much for subscribing. Let's go and show you the bathroom area. We've also got some great storage space. I say great, it's a bit of an understatement. You could easily spend a week here, easily, with the storage space. Hairdryer, ironing board, iron, plenty of hangers, no problem at all. So you're not gonna have any issues staying there. So with the bathroom, we'll come in here. It's got to be, excuse the echo now, One of the most immaculate bathrooms probably stayed in, being honest. What do you reckon, eh?
Yeah, definitely.
It's absolutely beautiful. You've got a lovely sink area. You've got a huge mirror. They've obviously got a relationship with Bramley, and it's a lavender geranium and pettigrain. If you know what pettigrain is, leave us a comment at the bottom and tell us what it is, because I haven't got a Scooby-Doo, okay? But they've got loads of succulent plants around, but it's really, really nice. And obviously you've got a little bench area in here as well, so if you feel like a bit of, you know, you're contemplating the world, choices, your life, after you've had a shower, have a sit down. Or if I've annoyed Amy enough, she'll send me in here to sleep. The shower, you want to show you the shower? Do you want to get in, Toby? Toby,
I didn't think so.
you want to get in the shower? Do you want to get in the shower? In you go. Off you get. No, no. But the shower is enormous. But again, it's so clean. Absolutely spotless in here. And I'm not being funny, I'm actually really looking forward to having a shower because it looks beautiful. There's not going to be any issues. I will tell you how much we paid as well shortly, after we've shown you what the bar area is like as well, because they've got some really good incentives, Butcombe Breweries. So I'll show you a little hack or something that we take advantage of, just to give you an idea for your next visit with any of the Butcombe Brewery destinations. Now again, we are not sponsored. We've paid for this out of our own money, okay? So all of our opinions and everything are completely honest. And I've got to say, we are absolutely over the moon with this room so far. So we're here for 2 nights, okay? And we are going to pop into Cheddar tomorrow, do a hike around Cheddar Gorge, and we are going to pop into some little towns as well. So again, make sure you are subscribed. It really, really helps us out. It keeps us motivated as well. What do you reckon? Should we go for a little drinky poos?
Yeah, definitely.
I haven't had a beer in a week. I'm parched.
That's a long time for you.
I'm parched. Look, you do not get this figure.
Makes you sound like an alcoholic.
I'm not, trust me. I'm not. Sometimes I feel like I need to be, but I think let's go and get our complimentary drink from old Sammy boy and see what we're gonna have. But High Corner Inn we stayed in, wasn't it? Really good, and that's Butcombe Breweries, and that was in our New Forest video, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you check it out, because that's a really, really good standard that they've set themselves. But yeah, I think we're gonna take him for a little walk, stretch his legs a bit, and go and get our drink. So come along, yeah, we're gonna bring you with us. How cute is this? They've also got free complimentary dog biscuits. Nice. They've got Toby's seal of approval, that's for sure. Well, how nice was that little drink? Really, really sweet pub, wasn't it?
Really good. Really nice.
We're gonna see how we sleep, see how the beds are. Of course, give you that feedback in the morning. So, we'll see you in the morning. Sweet dreams. Well, that was a very, very comfy night's sleep, that's for sure. Bed was super comfy. And the shower is awesome. We've already said, like, we need to get one at home. It's just like a waterfall shower, is really good. So, overall, worth the money?
Definitely.
This is unreal. Absolutely awesome, this place. We are so happy. We are going to eat here. We're going to go and get breakfast and we're going to have dinner tonight. But that's going to be in our Cheddar video. So even more reason to subscribe and stay tuned for it. But how much did we pay? The room itself was £325 for 2 nights, bed and breakfast. We didn't pay that. We signed up to the Butcombe loyalty scheme where you get 20% off. So we actually paid £264. That is inclusive of Toby's £20 cost to stay as well.
It doesn't cost you anything to sign up either, so
Free.
it's definitely worth doing.
100%. So we think, especially with the discount and dinner tonight, they do 25% off food on Wednesdays.
Win-win.
Steak. I think absolutely brilliant. If you agree, leave us a comment. What do you think? Have you stayed at Butcombe hotels before? We're really interested to.
They're also like so dog friendly as well. There's like dog biscuits
Crazy.
scattered around. There's no restrictions to where Toby can go. He can go wherever he likes. It's amazing, isn't it? It's really good.
Yeah. Overall marks? I'm at a 9 out of 10. You?
I'm gonna give it a 10.
There you go. I think that says everything you need to know. Thanks very much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed something a little bit different, bespoke room tour video, and we'll catch you in Cheddar. All the best.
Bye.